Hi guys, welcome back to the Cozy Corner, and today we're reading Engelbert Sneem. If you're new to our channel, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe. Okay, let's start. Engelbert Sneem and his dream vacuum cleaner. In this world where we live, it is really quite sad that a number of people grow up to be bad. We have rascals and robbers and cheaters and pinchers and fibbers and squealers and rotters and winkers and stinkers. But out of them all, there is nobody meaner than Engelbert Sneem and his dream vacuum cleaner. At night, when children slip into their beds and into soft pillows, they lay their sweet heads. It isn't too long before dreaming begins, and while they are dreaming of wonderful things, of fairies and flowers and rainbows and kings, from out of the darkness, out of the gloom, Mr. Engelbert Sneem tiptoes into the room, and he sucks up their dreams, and with his dreadful machine, then he leaps out the window before he is seen. He puts all the dreams into pottery flagons, climbs onto his carriage, and screams to his dragon, "Come open your wings, pretty lizards, take flight!" Then Engelbert Sneem flies away through the night. To a kingdom of permanent darkness he flies, where a restless, rampaging storm fills the skies, where rumbling thunder and lightning flashes across the dark sea, which perpetually crashes against a black rock which stands at its peak, the castle of Sneem, oh so silent and bleak. Down echoing stairs goes the burgling rascal, dragging his sack to the bowls of his castle, where flagons are stored upon old wooden beams. In his vast and remarkable dungeon of dreams. If ever Sneem fancies a nice little treat, he picks out the flagon that's cheeky and sweet. He pops out the cork with greatest of pleasure. Then he savors his sumptuous dream at his leisure. And I very much doubt whether Sneem's ever wondered what happens to children whose dreams he has plundered. Why robbed of their dreaming, they grow up to be those miserable adults you so often see. A little boy said to his mom, "Is this right? Is there really a man who steals dreams every night?" "Oh, hush now, my child," said the mom. "Take a look. It's only a tale in a fairy tale book. You sleep now, my darling, and have a nice dream." And he did have a dream, but the dream was of Sneem. And while the boy dreamt of the tale he had read, a shadowy figure crept up to his bed, and he sucked up the dream and plugged it up tight. Then he chuckled and scuttled away through the night. Once back in his castle, the crook, with great pleasure, pulled out the cork from his freshly caught treasure, and as the dream blowed and swirled through the air, a shocking, scandalous tale was laid bare. The tale who the tale of a greedy and pilfering thief who left in his wake only sadness and grief, cried Engelbert Sneem, for of course it was he. I've uncorked a nightmare. The nightmare is me. In absolute horror, Sneem let out such screams that they shattered the thousands of flagons of dreams, and all of those wonderful dreams they took flight, transforming the darkness to sweetness and light. The sea became calm and the sky became blue. Then up and away those most splendid dreams flew back to the people to who they belong, which bringing them happiness, laughter, and song. Alone in his throne room, Sneem pondered his plight with just an umbrella to keep off the light. He sat and he brooded for days upon days. Then he finally whispered, I must change my ways. And now, if a child has frightening dreams of ghosties and goalies and terrible things, the good Mr. Sneem is right there in the tick. And he sucks up the nightmare and plugs it up quick. Then he carefully writes on the flagon with chalk, please leave this alone. Never pull out the cork. And he takes it away to his dungeon, so then the child will never have a nightmare again. The end. I hope you liked this book today, guys. Bye.